Fresh water.
And that's how thick the ice is.
Yeah. It gets pretty thick by March.
And there's the jigger.
Well, how old is that jigger? Hey, how long you had it?
Looks as old as I am. Huh?
Yeah?
Gonna
That's
say
your
it's
dad's
gotta be
jigger?
older than me.
We take good care of our stuff. Otherwise you have to pay.
Yeah, right.
That's only about, I don't know, 6 years old. Yeah.
Oh?
About 5 years old.
Yeah?
6.
I remember my dad used to make them in the 40s.
Okay.
$5.
See? Every shot you give, see how it's going ahead?
It's falling along the ice.
Yeah, yeah. Underneath, it's going that way. See? Oh, yeah. You go over there. You send all that draw line in. 85, Mark at 85 yards. Okay. When it gets 85 yards, he tells me it's okay. There. Then he starts just banging on it. Then I listen for it. Then you got to find it.
And how do you get it out again?
Go